Hi, this is Rick from Rick's Daily Tips Tech blog. Today I'm going to explain how to retrieve a forgotten Wi-Fi password from your Windows PC. As you probably know, Windows stores your Wi-Fi passwords to make it easy and quick to reconnect to a network anytime you need to access it again. If you ever forget your Wi-Fi password, you can quickly retrieve it from your PC as long as it's still stored on the machine. Here's how. The first thing you need to do is open the control panel. The easiest way to open the control panel is to click on the start button and just type the word control panel and then click on it after it pops up in the search results. After the control panel is on the screen, click network and internet, followed by network and sharing center. Next, over here on the right in the View Your Active Network section, you'll see the active connection. Click on that and this little Wi-Fi status box will pop up. Click on Wireless Properties, click on Security, and right here is your network security key or your Wi-Fi password. They're hidden by dots, but if you click on that Show Characters box, your password will be displayed and you can copy it down, you can write it, and store that piece of paper in a lockbox or whatever, because you will need it again. That's all there is to it. Now that you've retrieved your Wi-Fi password, memorize it, write it down, and store it or in some other secure place so you'll have it on hand the next time you need it. And you almost certainly will need it again in the future. I hope this helps. Thank you.